The gas-powered car has been outselling the EV 7-1.
Dang, they sold 7 of those gas-powered.
That's the real takeaway.
That's a real number.
You're not far off, though. They only sold 240 of the electric ones in Q1. Sales of the 6-pack are weak compared to previous years. The entry-level RT and the 4-door versions of these cars are just now getting to dealerships. So the Charger has pretty much always outsold the Challenger, and the RT is more affordable. So I think those numbers will come up once you can actually see the RTs and the 4-doors in dealer lots. But still, they're not doing great. The electric one, this electric Charger is actually doing so poorly that dealers aren't even ordering it anymore. They have to be special ordered by a customer. So you're not going to be able to go to a dealership and find an electric Charger on the lot. You have to order it from
That
Dodge.
is a very small step to being canceled entirely.
Can I tell you, Can you guess the first place I saw one of these in person was like last week? And it
military
was
base.
Camp Pendleton, California.
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah, isn't it crazy how big they are?
Yeah, it's really big. It's really wide. We were in Toyota Sienna, and the thing was like bigger than us. Like,
Yeah.
holy cow. Oh, man.
Yep. So that standard output still packs punch, 420 horsepower. Starts at 45K. I mean, that's not a bad deal. That's not bad. Yeah, it's big. I drove one, and it doesn't drive as big as it looks, but it is a very big car. I spoke to some of the sales guys there, and they said that, yeah, the electric ones aren't selling. The only ones selling right now are the gas-powered ones.
Makes sense.
How much is a Mustang? How much is a Mustang GT?
Mustang GT is about that, and it's 500 horsepower.
Yeah, and you can get a manual.
The Scat Pack is 50K and is 550 horsepower.
Is that the EV or is that the...
That's the internal combustion. Mm-hmm. These make significantly less power than the electric counterparts, but customers don't seem to care. Mm-hmm. They don't care as much about the raw power. They care more that it's got the feel of internal combustion. As convincing as that Fratsonic exhaust may or may not be.
Some of the Dodge stands, the podcast hosts excluded, of course, really, like, they were on copium hard about that whole Fratsonic thing. Like, they were bought and sold down the river. They're like, oh, it's actually kind of cool if you think about it. It's like,
I was really hoping that it would work.
No.
I was hoping. Yeah. Well, it doesn't work.
Womp womp.